want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck, I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, here we have my Traxxas TRX4 with a 6S LiPo. Look at that, zippy 6S. Going into a Castle Mambo X brushless system, and we've got the speed meter on here. Now this thing's poorly, the bearings are all getting seized up. There's no wire on the receiver, that's all falling out. So God knows how fast it's going to go, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So we're running the Chevy C10 body shell for this out in with the Chinese steel alloys and stock tyres. If these balloon out too far, I'm probably going to try out these short course tyres and see what they do. And if the receiver doesn't hold up, then we've got a new one to put in it. Oh dear. I'm hoping we're going to get 50 mile an hour out of this at least, but we're aiming for 60. Oh. That was about half throttle, by the way. 37 mile an hour, and that was half throttle. I've got to turn the drag brakes off because it's vicious. It just crashes. All right, here we go. Oh! I reckon it could definitely do 60 if it weren't crashing. Oh my God, how did that not fall over? Oh my God. Still 40 mile an hour. Oh, come on. Yes. The crazy thing is, all that power and it still crawls. Watch. Watch that. You can still crawl it really slow. Oh no, look, we split the tyre. Oh no! It's died. Look, it's died. What's it doing? Whoa, crap, that motor's hot. Oh my God, 100 degrees. Uh-oh, we gotta let it cool down. 112. Guys, we killed it. Look how stiff it's gone. I don't know if that's motor or the gearbox. Well, good job. I've got another TRX4 so we can carry on with the speed runs. Alright, so I've got my brand new TRX4 here. We've got the same 6S ESC in here. We've got the same motor. Not really officially rated for 6S. So we're going to do it again, but this time we're going to go a little bit more careful, not do so many runs, and let it cool down. Because I don't want to break this one. Alright, brand new crawler. Look how smooth it is. We're going to try and keep it smooth, but who knows? Oh my god, it's bouncy. It's a lot more bouncy than the other one. I very briefly hit flat out there. What do you reckon, speed rise? 45?
43.2.
Hey, 43.2. How warm's the motor? Oh, yeah. Right, that motor's getting warm, so I think we're going to put on the short course tyres and then try it again. Oh, look how well it still crawls. All that speed and you can still crawl it. Success crawling, baby. Alright, so we've got these fast tracks, what are they, Stinger, 5-spoke. These are meant to be for like something like a Slash, short course tyres, but they're going to go on there and hopefully they're not going to balloon as much and we can see if we can get a bit more top speed out of it. But 43.2, that's not bad so far, but I'll still, you know, I want to hit 60, that's the goal, but I'll be happy with 50. Listen to that, man. It actually makes proper tyre noises. Well, that was about half. Well, that was flat out. I actually hit flat out there momentarily. Alright, let's try again. Oh, I got hairy. Ah, 42.7. So 1 mile an hour less. But that was flat out, I don't think it'll go anymore. Whoa! Oh! Oh no! I blew a tyre out. Oh no, look! Ah! Alright, let's not destroy it, but we got to 42.7 mile an hour. So to get it more, we're probably going to have to gear it up more. But you'll probably do it, I reckon. Because it's doesn't crawl. Doesn't crawl on Slash wheels. Alright, that's it, putting it away now. Parked it! Alright, so let's give this thing a quick blast. We got the thing on here. This is supposed to do 50 mile an hour out of the box, so let's see if it really does. That was flat out. $45.5. Oh, guys, I killed another motor. And it's one of the Castle motors. Oh, look. Look at that. Seized up solid. Let it get too hot. And that's it. Game over, guys. Oh, and more damage. Look, the shock shaft's bent on the back here. And look, all the rubber's ripped out on the tyre. Look, here's the damage, guys. Just opened up the motor. And look, all the magnets have kind of come apart. Surely that's got to be worth a like and a subscribe, guys. Come on. Alright, guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon, guys. Bye.